the sheets, baby. I don't wanna be casual anymore. This is putting me on the floor. I wanna be on your wall. Maybe that's too casual. I don't wanna be like this. I just wanna be your bitch. I don't wanna feel your love again. I wanna be in your bed. I wanna have your kids. I don't wanna keep doing this casual thing. I wanna be in your bed with no clothes. I wanna have your kids. I wanna feel your love against me. I wanna taste you just like I dreamed to, baby. I wanna see your thing in me. I wanna be in your bed. I wanna see how far we can go before you letting go. I don't wanna keep doing this casual thing. I wanna be in your bed. I wanna see how far we can last before letting go, baby. I wanna be in your bed. I wanna be in your head. I don't wanna be casual. I don't wanna be on your wall. I wanna see you fall in love with me. I wanna see how far we can go before you letting go. I wanna see how you can move in bed. I wanna be on your wall. Oh, I don't wanna be casual. I wanna be on your wall. I want you to pin me down on the bed, baby. I want you on me. I want you to have my kids. I don't wanna be casual. I want you to be on me. I don't wanna be casual. I wanna be on you. I don't wanna keep doing this dumb shit, baby. I wanna be on your wall. I can't keep doing casual. I don't wanna fall in love too much, baby. I wanna be on your wall. I don't wanna fall in love. I wanna make you scream, baby.